If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. It's that time again, double feature time. This time, it's a Dora the Explorer double feature. First up, Stuck Truck. Then, stay tuned after that story for The Circus Comes to Town. Dora the Explorer, Stuck Truck. Boots is getting a special package today. We are here to pick it up. I don't see mail truck. He must be far away. How can we see where he is? Does backpack have what we need? Is it the clock? Is it the lock? No, it is the telescope. I see mail truck. Oh no, he is stuck in some muck. We have to help him get unstuck. Quick, let's go. Oh no, there are two roads. To get to mail truck, we need to follow the muddy tracks. There is mail truck. He tried to go through the muck, but it was too thick. We need to figure out how to get mail truck unstuck. We can stick some rocks under each wheel. Then mail truck can drive on the rocks and not on the mud. What luck! We got mail truck unstuck. Now mail truck can deliver his stack of mail and Boots can get his package. Look! Boots got a toy truck. Dora the Explorer. The circus comes to town. What a big crowd! Do you know why? I will give you a hint. There are lions, jugglers, and clowns. Yeah, the circus is in town. I love the circus. Look at the 3 big rings. Let's look around. How many clowns are in that tiny house? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! How do they all fit? This clown needs our help. His round red nose fell on the ground. Let's look down and help him find it. We did it! We found the round nose. We turned the clown's frown upside down. In the next ring, the clown sees something else round. Do you? Yeah, the balls are round. The seals bounce the balls on their snouts. The seals juggle to keep the balls from falling down. In the last ring are lions. Wow! That one is walking high off the ground. And look at Leon's shiny crown. The circus was great. Now everyone takes a bow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed these 2 stories, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.